Hello friends, in today's video, we will be making waffles with a recipe that my daughter brought home from her homemaking class. After you try these, you won't need any other recipe. In a large bowl, place 200 grams of softened margarine. Add 300 grams of granulated sugar and 10 grams of vanilla sugar. Mix everything well with a mixer. While mixing, add 4 whole eggs, one at a time. Once everything is nicely combined, pour in 200 milliliters of milk. And of course, mix it again. Take 650 grams of soft flour and add about half into the bowl. Mix everything again with a mixer. Add the remaining flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Continue mixing everything with a spatula or wooden spoon. When everything is well combined, the mixture should look like this. Heat the waffle maker to the highest setting. Then grease both the top and bottom plates. Take about 2 full tablespoons of the prepared mixture and cook. The cooking time is approximately 3 minutes. A small tip to finish: more batter, thicker waffles, longer freshness. Enjoy.